Hello, students in Psych 25406. Professor Angie here. It is Friday, and I just want to let you know I remade our Padlet so that hopefully it is working. So, over the weekend, as you're reading, you should be able to add, you just click this pink post button. So, if the pink button is still not there, will someone please email me back and let me know? But you should be able to type in like this, add a section, um, and add in a question. I will say that I'm adding a question that often students have had before. Let's say you agree with that, you could like it, or you could comment and even say, me too. So you can see that this is how this can be built. If you have something related, you can add that in. I am going to group these together before our lecture time on Tuesday so that I can kind of get a sense of this. So a few things to note, watch for some emails from me. I might be doing some switching around of grouping, and I'm still pondering a little bit the best way for us to approach group work with our mixed attendance model. So next Tuesday, I will have some updates on that. For right now, just plan on coming to class on your assigned day, and that will remain the same, but I'm still pondering some group work switches. So your Padlet should be working as you read, add things in. And I look forward to seeing the other half of you on Tuesday. Look for emails from me as I figure out groups. All right, have a wonderful weekend. Thanks again for all your hard work this week as we settle in and your patience as we figure this stuff out. I will see you all Tuesday.